Hi. So I was going to talk to you about how to configure the confirmation email or the receipt email that people get once they've registered for the event. And there's a few other emails inside, like speaker emails and wait list and things like that I'll cover also. So if you need to use them, you can. All right. So first, let's go ahead and log into the CRM. And we're going to go ahead and just go to Manage Events. Alright, and then let's select an event that we're going to change that confirmation email for. And we go up to Options, and then we go to Communication. And we're going to go to the Received email. Confirmation email is the email that people receive a few days before the event. It's something that you would have to click to send. It's not automated because most of our clients don't want to use it. And then similar with receipt emails, these are by default enabled because most everyone wants a confirmation or registered or received email sent the moment that or the moment a person completes their registration. This also applies for the CRM. So if you're actually manually doing data entry, then this will send them that same email. All right. Speaker confirmation is an email that speakers get once they've been assigned or linked to a class. And then the waitlist email is if people are waiting for a particular class, if that class opens up, it'll be automatically sent to them saying that there's a spot opened up. Invitation email is it's the one that's, what do you call it? It's optional. We're not going to cover it. And confirmation, the confirmation is just for people that are not inside the, don't have an email address. So if they don't have an email address and you have to mail it through them or fax it to them, this is the proper one that you need to configure. Most everyone is going to be using this, though, the received email. And there's also another one inside here that if this is not configured, which normally it would be, that's inside the system emails. That's covered different areas. So you look inside the receipt emails for the event receipt. And if this is not configured, then it'll be that one. If this is configured, this actually has priority. So let's configure this in the received email. Okay, so event registration, this is just going to be your name. The from address can be the from address. We don't recommend the no reply because people do have a lot of legitimate questions about events and also notifications. So say, for instance, that they want a refund or they have some other insights, they want to change classes, and you don't allow them to change classes from the website. These sorts of things, then we need to check that. Okay, thank you for registering for event name, event location, event date, event itinerary. To visit your account area, please click the link below. Okay, so the first name is just their first name, their last name of the registrant. Event name is the event, the name of the event, and the location and the date. The date will automatically split into two if it's more than one day. So it'll be like from May 1st to May 3rd as an example. Event itinerary is just their itinerary, the classes they selected. A lot of times the event is very simple, so you won't need that event itinerary tag. You just go ahead and just delete that and remove it from here. And then here's a link to their My Account. Now, if your account's set up with the secure socket layer, then go ahead and change that to S, right? Or put an S right after the P, and you can leave the domain the same. It should automatically populate. Otherwise, you can just put in your domain name if it's not populating the way you expect. All right, and then here is Disable Automatic Receipt Email. Okay. Now, inside the CRM, if someone's entering this person's registration and it's after the event, this is the use case. If it's after the event, then you don't want them getting the confirmation letter, typically at least. So that's all you have to do. And yeah, so the other emails are configured in a similar way. Hope this helps. Thanks.